Hello freshmen! Welcome to Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus and welcome to the College of Agriculture. Enjoy your stay here and good luck to your journey.
Freshmen, welcome to the Department of Agriculture and welcome to LSPU LSC.
It's a grace under pressure. Welcome freshmen to Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus. Thank you for choosing our university and we hope you enjoy studying here. Thank you so much.
Freshmen, Agritech, welcome sa LSPU. Sana mag-enjoy kayo ngayong acceptance, mag-aral lang mabuti, mag-iingat lagi, and have a nice day.
Hello freshmen! Welcome sa College of Agriculture. Enjoy kayo sa pag-aaral sa ating pamantasan. Good luck and God bless!
Hi freshmen, welcome sa LSPU and sa Department of Agriculture. Good luck and
good day everyone. Welcome to the Laguna State Polytechnic University and to the College of Agriculture. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Congrats and good luck.
Hi to our dearest freshmen. Welcome to LSPU LSC and to the College of Agriculture. Good luck and God bless you all.
Welcome freshmen! I hope na maging masaya kayo. Welcome sa ating pamantasan.
Magandang araw freshmen. Binabati ko kayo sa College of Agriculture. Sana walang sumuko sa inyo hanggang sa huli. Yun lang. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi mga freshmen, congrats and good luck sa inyo. Advance Merry Christmas. Laban lang.
Welcome freshmen sa LSPU LSC. Enjoy nyo lang yung pagiging college ninyo. Isa puso nyo yung pagiging agriculture. Huwag kayong susuko, laban lang. No matter what you've gone through, keep chasing your dream. Thank you.
Hi mga first year! Welcome sa Laguna State Polytechnic University. Gusto ko lang kayong batiin ng congrats dahil hindi kayo nagkamali na pinili nyo ang course na agriculture. Advance Merry Christmas guys! Fighting! Welcome!
So, good day freshmen. I would like to greet you a warmest welcome nga pala sa College of Agriculture. Nawa ay mag-enjoy kayo at good luck sa magiging journey nyo bilang future agriculturist. Adya, itaas natin ang bandera ng mga magsasaka. Bye-bye!
Freshmen, welcome sa LSPU LSC. Sana enjoy nyo lang ang college life, huwag kayong basta-basta susuko, at sana mahalin nyo ang pagiging agriculture student dito sa LSPU.
Welcome to the College of Agriculture. Ako nga pala si Kuya Jeric nyo. Sana masaya kayo sa napili nyong course. Yun lang at salamat.
Hello freshmen, welcome to the College of Agriculture. Good luck and God bless.
Hi to all of you, our dearest freshmen. Welcome to LSPU LSC and to the Department of Agriculture. Congrats and God bless.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus, and to the College of Agriculture. Sana maging matatag tayo lalo na ngayong pandemic. Laban lang, our dearest first year and future agriculturists. Congrats and good luck!
Sa lahat ng freshmen, welcome sa Laguna State Polytechnic University.
Hey everyone, ako nga pala ang Kuya Ivan nyo, bumabati ng Advance Merry Christmas and welcome to Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus.
Hi freshmen, I'm your Kuya Judel and welcome to College of Agriculture. Good luck and God bless to all of you.
Welcome freshmen to LSPU LSC. Good luck and God bless.
Magandang araw mga freshmen. Welcome sa college life. Sana kayanin natin ito hanggang dulo. And advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa family nyo. And enjoy nyo lang yung pag-aaral. And God bless everyone.
Buhay from your dear Kuya Martin. Proud kami sa inyo at welcome namin kayo dito sa College of Agriculture. Mag-iingat kayo palagi and God bless.